Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about a head unit upgrade on an Audi TT RS. What have we actually done to upgrade this particular vehicle? We've added in a Pioneer head unit upgrade that adds loads of functionality live directly in front of the vehicle. What we've actually got now is wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, CD, DVD functionality, plus a load more. We're going to be jumping in the vehicle today, showing you exactly what the system looks like, as well as the actual features you guys could have if you are interested in having this same system. So let's start off then talking about the actual unit itself. So this is what's called a Pioneer Z9200 unit. It is phenomenal, gives you so much functionality and on a really responsive touchscreen. In terms of the unit, we've got volume up and down buttons here, as well as when I press the eject button, the screen actually flips all the way forward and I've got access to a CD, DVD slot, as well as an SD card if I want to store some music and play directly onto there as well. The other thing that we've got, which is obviously the main feature, it obviously does wireless Android Auto as well, but today we're showing you wireless Apple CarPlay, but you've also got the option to physically plug in your phone, charge your phone, while also actually having all of your connectivity live on the unit. In terms of what we've got here, I've got Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, so much interaction live in one place, plus all of my Spotify as well. So whatever music source, whether it's Tidal, Spotify, or Apple Music, you've got all of your stuff live in one place. The other thing we've also got in terms of functionality is adding on digital radio to the vehicle. So we do three different options for DAB in terms of getting DAB playing through the vehicle, which we'll go through when you inquire with us. But on this occasion, we're using what's called a glass mounted DAB antenna, which sits just to the left hand side of the windscreen, which is really nice and discreet and gives you that performance of digital radio. But we do have some other options available for you guys. But this car also, one thing to really carefully note is the fact that it actually came into us with Bose, which is the upgraded hi-fi system from Audi. Obviously, if you're interested in sound, we also do many upgrades on these cars, but the one thing that we've done is retain the Bose system, as well as retain the steering wheel control for seek, as well as volume up and down. Hopefully you guys at home have enjoyed today's video and you've actually seen a little bit more detail about what the system looks like, as well as the functionality that you guys could add onto your vehicle. If you're interested in something like this, guys, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on all of our details for everything you guys need is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all very soon.